Hey guys, and Xiaomi just made the brand new Redmi K20 and K20 Pro official. So yeah, the launch event was in China, and Xiaomi first started talking about other flagships in the market right now, their specifications and features, and then they just started talking about the K20 Pro. So the K20 Pro comes in three gorgeous color options, that's red, blue and Kevlar edition, which is better in terms of grip, and this is actually 3D glass Xiaomi is using. So that's nice. So this was the back panel with amazing shimmer and design, and then Xiaomi showcased the front full screen panel, which is of 91.9% screen to body ratio, and there is no notch or holes. It's just full screen panel, all thanks to the pop-up selfie shooter, which pops up in just 0.8 seconds. The interesting part is you are getting 6 different sounds option for the pop-up selfie shooter, which I hope we can disable. Best part is there's sapphire lens to protect the front shooter, and yes, there's drop protection also. Okay, so K20 Pro uses 7th generation fingerprint sensor, which is really fast, and there's AMOLED panel with blue eye protection mode. That's a great feature, I would say. Okay, so that's about the design, and now there's Snapdragon 855 SoC, which is the latest right now, and here's the speed test comparison Xiaomi showcased between K20 Pro versus the OnePlus 7 Pro and iQOO, and you can clearly see who is the winner right now. Of course, I will do the real speed test comparison right on this channel, so stay subscribed and like this video right now. Moving on, gaming and high-end stuff, Xiaomi uses this Game Turbo 2.0, which provides you better and smooth experience and has a custom gamepad also, and more options like this. So that's a phone for gamers. I mean, I think it's better than gaming phones you're getting at high price. So that's about the design and performance. Now it's time for the best, which is the cameras. It has 3 cameras on the back panel, 8 plus 48 plus 13 megapixel sensor. 48 one is having Sony's IMX586 sensor, which is great. Also, the third one is actually a wide angle lens with 124.8 degrees field of view. So that's a nice combination of performance, display and cameras. And then there's a 20 megapixel front facing selfie shooter, which can shoot some amazing shots. Here are some camera samples for the same, and looks nice to me. By the way, the interesting thing is there's a software feature which allows you to shoot wide angle shot using this front facing shooter itself. I have a video coming soon showcasing all the top features, so subscribe right now if you already haven't. And at last, this phone comes with NFC, which is the first in Xiaomi smartphone, and there's also a 4000 mAh of battery, which is decent. Best part is you're getting a 27 watt super fast charging. Wow, 58% in just 30 minutes. It's just like that, guys. And in the I/O section, there's USB Type-C port, headphone jack. You're getting dual GPS, which is the most accurate right now inside smartphones. And yeah, that's basically all. Oh wait, there's K20 also with same design, same schematics, almost same features I would say, but a Snapdragon 730 SoC that lies between 835 and 845 in terms of the performance. You are getting IMX582 sensor, which is actually a little downgrade over the 586, and there is 18 watt fast charging. That's the only difference. And at last, it's time for the pricing. Okay, so K20 starts at 2499 yuan for 6/64, which makes it 25,000 Indian rupees /261 US dollars. 2999 yuan for 8/256, which is the highest variant we have right now, which makes it 430 US dollars, or you can say 30,000 Indian rupees. So it's better than the OnePlus 7, the standard 7 in terms of the pricing. K20, which comes with Snapdragon 730, starts at 1999 yuan, which makes it 20,000 Indian rupees /290 US dollars. And yes guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. We really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button right now. And let me know in the below comment section which one would you choose, the K20 Pro or K20. More videos are coming really soon. And yes, there's also an Avenger edition case and other stuff for Avengers lover. but let's cover that in a different video. Thanks for watching and peace out.